Okay guys, quick tip for those of you that are SRT climbing, the way we climb, doing like the rad climbing, where you're utilizing hand ascender and Gree Plus like we are. I just wanted to show you a quick tip. I showed this in another video not too long ago, but wanted to get a little bit more specific with it. I replaced the Delta link that comes on the bottom of my hand ascender with a soft shackle. You can get smaller ones in this. This is one, I think this one here is 7/16 or 3/8. I got it on Amazon. I think it was like 12 bucks, but you can get them even smaller. I think we may start carrying these, so look out for them. We might end up picking some up and selling them on our website as well. But it's a real nice way to do it because there's no metal. It's a soft shackle. These things are really super strong, and we're using it in a climbing application, but it's only on the foot loop, so it's not a life safety thing. I'm not totally certain if these soft shackles are approved for actually climbing on them, like in replacing a carabiner. But for this application, if you're just using it for the foot loop, it's not supporting your life, but it is good and strong where you can step into it and it'll work really well. So I just wanted to show that, and it's a quick little tip where you guys can add something like this and make your system a little bit quieter. All right, climb safe, guys.